I'm trying this 7-day content schedule so you don't have to. This is day 5 of posting every single day until my business is successful, and I'm starting a mini challenge for the next week. I saw this video by a guy named Ronan Bell where he proposes this 7-day content schedule for new creators. Each day is a different format. There's talking head, ranking, reaction, split screen, story or narrative, clone, and then green screen. If you're still watching, you got. This is actually day 1's Yap video. I'll share the results in a week, so follow to find out. And hopefully by that time, I'll have desensitized myself to the cringe of posting, practiced editing, and accomplished a smaller, more achievable goal. Anyway, I'm posting every day regardless, so follow along, and I will see you tomorrow.